Okay, today I have a little something different for you guys. Usually I'm reviewing phones and tablets, and although this falls into kind of that category, it's a different OS. So today I'm going to unbox and give you my first impressions of the Lenovo Duo Chromebook. Yeah, guys, a Chrome OS device. And we're going to get into that right now. What's up, guys? It's Jason here with Red Bee Labs, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to unbox and I'm going to give you my first impressions of the Lenovo Duet, which is it's a Chromebook, which I don't really use Chromebooks often, but I thought, hey, I'll test it out and see what's going on, and maybe I'll see what all the hype's about. So let's get to the trusty knife. Haha. And let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Real quick though, I want to let you know that what I liked about it was that it comes with a keyboard and it comes with a little back piece, somewhat similar to the Tab 6, where it attaches to the back and has a little kickstand, which, please, someone make this for the iPad. Anyway, so this one is Wi-Fi only. It's ice blue and iron gray, and it's a 64 gig version. It also has a MediaTek P6OT octa-core 2.0 gigahertz processor. It has a display of 10.1 inches, a resolution of 1920 by 1200. It's also an IPS display. And again, the battery is pretty nice. It's 7,180 milliamps, so should be good for long lasting. But let's get her open. Is there a way to just get it open now? You gotta get that plastic. All right. Sorry about the loud noise. All right. A Chromebook. I was surprised. I was so surprised. I was like, do I really want to venture into Chromebooks? But, I've got everything else, and I just was like, I need to go ahead and test everything out, do a little everything on the channel. So I'm going to roll it loose. Boom. Okay, and as we see at first, it is just a tablet. So I'm gonna take that light. Then I'm gonna move it over here, and we're just gonna see what we got in the box. So take that little piece off. See what we got in here. Feels heavy. It's probably the keyboard and everything. Yeah, it's definitely the back of the keyboard. So let's get this out over here. And now keyboard. And this is the back plate. I'm gonna put these over here for a second and we'll get right back to those. All right, so you got your documentation. So, and of course, guys, put this to the side. We're gonna rate it. All right, and in here, let's see, this is gonna be your charger. You got a USB to 3.5 millimeter jack for headphones. And on the other side, just the wall adapter. So I'm gonna move this over here out of the way. I'm gonna throw the back piece here. Get that open. Slide that out. And that is nice, very nice. Very nice. And you'll see when I put it on the back how I can use it in a kickstand. Okay, and here's the keyboard. And everything, like I said, everything is super lightweight. Super lightweight. Okay. And that is nice. Clicky. I like that. Clicky. Buttons are clicky. Nice. No function row, but I mean, it's good. It's good. I mean, what do you expect? You get all this in the box. And then here is the actual tablet. So we're gonna that's nice. Nice color. I like that at the top. And that's it. And we're going to go ahead and power it on. We're going to try. There it is. Let's wait for it to power on. Okay, guys, so it powered on. You know, I'm going to go ahead and set it up, but you can see the front-facing camera here. Volume up and down. A nice ridged button. Like, it feels really nice. It feels really nice. Your USB-C port to go ahead and charge. At the bottom, you have your pogo pins, and that's for the keyboard to get on there. And now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put the keyboard on. All right, so you just use the pogo pin, connect it right up. Boom. That is nice and small, compact. I like it. I like it. Now let me put the back on here. And the back is simply just magnetic, so it just snap right back on there. And it's nice. Gives it some added protection back there. And we're going to see the kickstand. Sit it down. Get it to the side. Really nice. So guys, for my first impressions, it's well made. It's nice. The keyboard feels good. It's not too, I mean, like, the keyboard feels really nice. The trackpad feels nice. It's really responsive, really clicky, you know, and you would think for this price, I picked it up for $240. That price, you get the keyboard, the tablet, and the back cover that makes it a stand, a kickstand, which I definitely want for an iPad. So someone please come up with this. I will definitely buy it. I will review it, and many people will buy it. But as I said, you know, my first impressions are really nice, and I'm going to put together a full review for you guys. So I'm going to set this up, play with it for a little bit, and then get that review to you guys. So if you found value in this video, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. And if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video, you would be the person that makes my day. You would be that awesome person that makes me so happy. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.